friend, my name is Bambo Jumbo and I'm happy you came to visit me. This is the city where I live. Just recently, all of these houses were under the construction and each of them was built with the help of a dump truck. But to work on this machine, we need to assemble it first. Dump truck is a very big machine. Its main feature is a body, which is being dumped during unloading. Dump truck consists of several parts. Let's get them out and assemble the dumper together. Let's start with the moving part. With its help, dumper can move. We will need dumper's foundation to set the wheels on it. 2 front wheels on the one side and 2 front wheels on the other side of a dumper. Now, let's move to the rear wheels. They are doubled. 2 couples on the one side and 2 couples on the other. And now, let's attach the cab for a dumper's driver. This is a body. Let's attach it to our dump truck. In the body, dumper carries all loads. The last part has left a gas tank. This is a container to store gasoline. Dump truck has 2 gas tanks, one on each side. Dump truck is ready. Let's see how it works. Dump truck is needed at every construction site. It can carry debris, sand, ground, crushed stone and many other things. Dumper can help to deliver materials to the construction site, even to the impenetrable places for the short time. This is the city where I live. Just recently, there was still a construction site. None of the houses have been built without a crawler excavator, but first we need to assemble it. Excavator is a very big machine. It helps to dig trenches and pits. It consists of several parts. Let's get them all together and assemble the excavator. Let's start with the moving part. With its help, the excavator can drive. We need a platform on which motors are set. Trucks are attached to it. Trucks are needed to move over uneven surfaces. This is the rotary platform. Driver's cab and the engine are placed on it. With the help of this platform, machinists can control the excavator. And this is a boom. Let's attach it to the rotating platform beside a machinist's cabin. Boom is needed for the excavator to dig at a greater distance. The boom is attached to the excavator with the help of pistons. They allow to move the boom and the bucket. It remains to attach one. ready. Let's see how the excavator works. Excavator is a need for every construction site. Excavators dig trenches for pipes and foundation pits for the future buildings construction. Excavator is a need for every construction site. Excavators dig trenches for pipes and foundation pits for the future buildings construction. Excavator's bucket lifts large piles of ground and transports them to another location. Pistons help to change the position of the bucket and the boom. The rotary platform can rotate in all directions. Inside the cabin there are a couple levers for controlling the boom and bucket of the excavator. This is the city where I live. Just recently there was still a construction site, but none of these houses have been built without a concrete mixer. To work on this machine, we need to assemble it first. Concrete mixer is a machine for making concrete mixtures. It is also very needed for transporting the concrete itself. When it's moving down the road, the drum is rotating and concrete doesn't congeal. Concrete mixer consists of several parts. Let's assemble this machine together. Let's start with the moving part. With its help, concrete mixer can drive. We will need a foundation of the concrete mixer to attach the wheels. One front wheel on the one side and one front wheel on the other side. Let's move to rear wheels. They are doubled. 2 couples on one side and 2 couples on the other. And now let's attach the cap for concrete mixer's driver. This is a drum. Let's attach it to our concrete mixer. In the machine's drum, concrete is carried. Only this way concrete will stay liquid and will be useful at the construction site. To fill the drum with concrete and water, we will need a funnel and a ladder to help constructors fill in the drum. The last detail has left, a gas tank. It's a container for storing gasoline. Concrete mixer has 2 gas tanks, one on each side. Concrete mixer is ready. Let's look how it works. Concrete mixer is necessary at every construction site. Constructors fill its drum with cement and water. Now we need to mix it well. For the construction purposes, concrete is poured into the molds, and then constructors wait till it hardens. Let's look what figure has turned out from our form. Look, it's a train! This is the city where I live. Just recently, there was still a construction site. None of the houses have been built without a crane, but first we need to assemble it. Let's assemble the crane together. crane needs the chassis to move around the construction site. Let's attach 2 wheels on the one side and 2 on the other. What's next? Crane needs a good support to not to fall while working. Let's attach 2 of them on the one side and 2 on the other. Like this. Now, let's set the cabin where a driver will sit. Now, we need to set the rotary platform with a cab on it. All control of the crane is taking place in this cabin. The most important thing in a crane is a boom. Let's attach the base of the boom to the rotary platform. It consists of 3 parts, and at the end of the boom, let's hang a large hook to lift the loads. The crane is ready. What does a crane make at the construction site? A crane is a machine the construction site can't function without. Imagine how difficult it is to lift heavy bricks and large reinforced concrete panels, of which our houses are built. A man cannot do it, but a crane does it easily. When the crane arrives to the necessary place, it exposes its supports. This way the crane becomes much more stable. And here is the cabin where crane operator sits and controls the crane. The crane operator pulls a lever, the mechanism starts to act, and the work begins. He pulls another lever, and the boom becomes longer, and now it can reach the roof of the house. Crane operator pulls the other lever, and the rotary platform comes to action. The crane is very important at the construction site. This is the city where I live. A lot of vehicles are driving along the narrow streets and broad highways. Look, our road is closed here. What happened? Of course, we could have guessed earlier. Road workers are paving the asphalt. One of the machines that helps road workers flatten the asphalt surface is an asphalt roller. An asphalt roller consists of several parts. Let's assemble this machine together. Let's start. First, let's take a base frame of our asphalt roller to which we will attach all of its components. Now, let's attach the main parts to our asphalt roller. They are roller drums, located where the wheels would be. One front drum and one rear drum. Next, above each drum, let's fix 2 gas tanks, which we need in order to store a high stock of gasoline. Now, let's fix an operator platform with a seat and a steering wheel. This platform is sky high, so we need to attach a protective grating to keep the operator from falling out. The asphalt roller is ready! Well done! It is not too big, but it's a very heavy machine. Asphalt rollers are required for soil and asphalt compaction and many other things during the repair and paving of roads. The main part of the roller is the drum, located where the wheels would normally be. And now let's see how the asphalt roller works. For this, let's go back to our road. Asphalt and road metal are already spread over the road. Now it's time to flatten the asphalt surface. Our asphalt roller smoothed the asphalt by its weight with the help of the roller drums. And now, just let the asphalt dry. Hooray! It's finished! Our cars are hurrying away on their business again. Thank you, asphalt roller! Dear friend, it's time to say goodbye. Now you know how to assemble an asphalt roller. See you soon! Bye bye!